Now let's proceed to example 3. Find the amplitude, period and phase shift, hence sketch the graph. So this is the equation given, y equal to 3 sine 2x minus pi over 2. So let's compare with our general equation, y equal to a sine bx minus c. So first of all, we can see the amplitude. So amplitude A is modulus A. So this is the value of A here. Okay, your A is equal to 3. Therefore, let's take note when we want to graph later on. The highest height of the graph should be 3. The lowest one should be negative 3. So we are done with amplitude. Next, let's see the period T. The formula is 2 pi over modulus B. So what is modulus B? In this graph here, your B is the coefficient of x, which is 2. So let's put in 2 pi over 2. Therefore, your period is equal to pi. So now let's look at our phase shift. Our phase shift, the formula is C over B. Okay, it is as if you're solving this bracket here, C over B. So let us solve this. 2x minus pi over 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to pi over 2. Therefore, your x is equal to pi over 4. Since we got x equal to pi over 4, we realize that our phase shift is pi over 4. So we know our phase shift is pi over 4, meaning that the graph will start at x coordinate pi over 4. And then it will have a few subinterval here. This is the first subinterval, this is the second subinterval, this is the third subinterval, and later on finally we will have the last one here. So what is the distance between the first one and the last one? Okay, this is 1 period, which is our 1 period right now is pi. So let's find here what is the latest value here. So from pi over 4, let's add up with pi. So the end of this here will be 5 pi over 4. So this is the way to know what is the last x coordinate of our graph. So from the phase shift, you just add up for 1 period. So this is the last one. How about each of this? This is depending on our subinterval. So the formula for subinterval is t over 4. Okay, so from a period of pi, so divide by 4, the subinterval is pi over 4. Now let's find out what is all of the subinterval here. So from pi over 4, let's just add up the subinterval until you get 5 pi over 4. So let's do this here. From pi over 4, let's add up with pi over 4, it is pi over 2, plus another pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4, plus another pi over 4, it is pi, plus another pi over 4, it is 5 pi over 4. So when you get the last one, 5 pi over 4, this means what you're doing now is correct. So now let us straight away graph. Let's open up your x-axis, y-axis and also origin. And then straight away, let's fill up all of the x-intercept here. So pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, pi and also 5 pi over 4. Let's see our equation just now. We don't have any negative in front, so let's just graph a sign as usual. So starting from this point, go up and then go down and then go up again. Okay, so let's define. This is your 1 period, this part here. Okay, so 1 period, let's label. This is equal to pi. So don't forget to label. The lowest y-coordinate is negative 3. The highest y-coordinate is 3. This is according to our amplitude. As I mentioned before, we can always recheck our graph by taking the highest x-coordinate minus the phase shift, the lowest x-coordinate. Okay, so just take 5 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. So this will be equal to pi. So we have checked that this is equal to 1 period. So this is the graph of y equal to 3 sine 2x minus pi over 2.